Alright guys, so in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can add video to your Wix website. You have to hover over to the left corner and click on Add Elements. Then you have to click on Search and type in video. Now, there are multiple types of videos, but the one we're gonna need is single video players, since this is the one that most of you are gonna use anyways. And we just have to drag it to the website. Okay, so once we have the video template, we just have to click on the gear icon and either choose to upload a video from our computer or choose from YouTube or Vimeo or even Facebook or Dailymotion. I'm just gonna copy a video from YouTube and paste it right here. As you can see, it shows up right away, and all I have to do is just close the window and adjust it to my liking. You can even adjust things like the layout, design. You can also add certain animations if you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.